how to create document of photos on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you're looking to create a document from your photos on your iPhone, you're in the right place. I'll show you how to do it in your built-in app Photos itself. So first things first, open up your Photos app and then choose the photo that you want to convert. Then you'll find the share icon on the bottom left. Tap on it, scroll down, and you'll find the print option. So tap on it. So you're not actually printing the document, but if you choose on the share option, and you'll be able to save it to your files. Just tap on save to files and then tap on save. Now there you go, you have created a document of your photos on your files app. Thank you for watching. If you found our video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.